I am about to unbox a package that I have waited over a year for. That's right, I ordered this in March 2020, it's now March 2021. And this is the Tesla Cybertruck Hot Wheels. If you just want to skip to the good parts, go to this time code for the unboxing and this time code to see the demonstration. Let's crack into the box. Okay, so here we are at the desk. Got the box right here. Where are my scissors? So as you can see here, we had items that were on back order, then they were shipped from the back order. My grand total there, come on, $25.95. And as you can see, we are a Hot Wheels collector. Now for the actual thing that you're interested in, here it is. Upside down, of course, for the grand reveal. There it is, the legendary Tesla Cybertruck, now in remote control Hot Wheels form. So here's the front. We can see inside we got the blue controller, we got the Cybertruck itself, that little plastic piece that it comes with to attach to a track. You got a little demo down here of how it works. There's that left hand side. There's that back side here. Lots of instructions, many different ways to play. Got some something down here, I don't even know what that says, somebody can translate for me. There's the bottom of the box right there, as you can see. And then here is the right hand side, a nice front view here of the Cybertruck. I feel like this is not their actual plastic model, but some sort of rendering of a Cybertruck. And all these different languages with the warnings down there. That is pretty beautiful. Alright, so now for what everybody's actually here for. Let's crack this thing open. There it is in the packaging, as you can see. In place pretty securely with some tape around back. Your very first look at the Tesla Cybertruck Hot Wheels. I gotta say, this definitely does look better in person than it looks in the pictures. This really is a nice little model here, very compact, as you can see. It's got the charger and the power switch on the bottom here, and obviously some fine print there. If you do want to read that, let's get the reflection. There you go. No motors in the front; these are free spinning. But then there's some motors in the back. So let's put this car aside and get to the rest of the unboxing here. Well, there's this little track piece that I guess if you have other Hot Wheels tracks, you can hook this up to it. Here's that cardboard. You never know, this might be collector's edition cardboard someday. I also noticed it came with this RC guide here. Quite the extensive user manual, as you can see. I really am guessing that we're not going to need to read all this, but it's got diagrams and pictures in every single language in this Cybertruck Go Fast picture. So yeah, quite definitely, if you don't know what's going on, they've got you covered here. And there you go. There's your first look at the controller. You can see they went with a bright blue color. Originally it was going to look like this. That's the picture that they first showed us during pre-orders, but they changed it to this bright blue color with the orange accents, as you can see. There's the back of the controller. It does take batteries that it does not come with, so you have to provide those. I believe this is the charger for the car itself. There's a little cable that's built into the controller right there. No USB-C here. And you can see this toggle goes up and down. This one goes left and right. And then I believe this is for adjusting it. You can make it go a little more left or a little more right. And then this button right here, I believe, is actually a turbo, like faster boost mode. So let's get some batteries in this thing and let's see what it can do. But before we do that, let's get some close-up looks. So now I'm just going to open this battery compartment to see what kind of batteries this thing takes. It's just a standard Phillips head screwdriver right here. Okay, that pops out just like that. Looks like we're taking 4 AA's right here, as you can see, which is very convenient because I have 4 AA's right here. Just going to pop these in one by one here. Just like so. Alright, well, it's blinking, that's a good sign. So I'm going to grab the car right here, flip this little switch, presumably to the on position. Now now the light is solid, ready? There you go. Right out of the box, look at that kick. Not bad. Let's see what this thing can do. I'm going to start us off with a quick desk test here. Definitely got some good kick to it. Oh, I almost lost it. And we're back. Oh no, there it goes. One of the nice things about this is if you just push the side to either side, it'll actually just do a spin like that. Not bad, very quick, very responsive. So far, so good. Let's take it onto the ground. So I believe this is some sort of like boost button. So let's give that a shot here. Oh, mine is spinning out of control. I flipped it. Dang it. Cybertruck down. There's what your underside is looking like after a couple minutes of use. You can see the wheels are already starting to pick up some dirt here. You can also notice the difference between the back wheels that actually drive the thing and the front wheels, which are just plastic and just kind of spin along for the ride. Very nice. Definitely a fun toy here. So it looks like as far as using the remote to turn it on, you just do a quick tap. It'll come on, blink. Red light means it's connected. Then when you turn it off, you gotta hold it down for a couple of seconds. And then it comes off just like that. Obviously this device right here comes equipped with that handy little on-off switch. This position is on and that position is off. So when we want to charge the thing, we hook it up to the controller like this. So we plug it in like that, turn on the controller, turn off the car. This thing charges in 20 minutes, which means it's faster to top up than using Tesla's actual superchargers. Of course, it is also like 2 inches long. This double blinking flashlight here means it's in pairing mode, trying to connect to the car itself, whereas the slow flashing light that you saw before means it's in charging mode, recharging the car's internal lithium-ion battery. One thing you'll notice here, I'm not sure how well it comes up on camera, maybe right there. This side of the charger, it's got that little I symbol, which means on, and over here it's got an O/lightning bolt. O is for off and lightning bolt is for charging. So to turn it on, you turn it that way. To turn it off or to charge, you turn it this way. Now, of course, you got your charging port right under there, which connects to the built-in charger as you just saw on the remote. All right, so that is it for the Tesla Cybertruck Hot Wheels video. I was really glad to share this with you guys. I have waited literally a year for this. In fact, I placed my order on March 10th, 2020. And it is now, as the time of recording this, it is March 10th, 2021. So I was very excited to get this thing. I think it was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. If you're looking to try to get one of these for your own, good luck. I know they're selling them at Target right now, where they're out of stock everywhere. I'll leave some links down below where you can check, and I'll also put the link down for Amazon in case they start selling it there as well. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, please leave that in the comment section down below. Also, please subscribe. This is a brand new channel, so certainly subscribe if you like the content here. I'll be posting more, basically content that's not quite good enough for my main channel. But if you are interested in some higher quality content and more tech-focused content as opposed to Hot Wheels-focused content, you can subscribe to my other channel, youtube.com/SamFriedman. Thank you for watching. No idea what's going on here. My laptop just started beeping. No idea what's happening. This is not related at all. Seriously, Microsoft? Who in the world does Microsoft think they are? This is ridiculous. This thing was docked and charging. I can't believe we're getting this on video. This is insane. Look at this. Welcome to the channel, guys.